In this video, I'll show you how to send large videos in Gmail. So if you're trying to send a large video file in Gmail and you're either hitting the 25 megabyte limit or the file's just too large to upload, then there's a quick and easy solution to get around this. So what you need to do is head over to the App Store on your phone, and using the search feature, you just want to search for Google Drive and hit enter. Then you need to install the Google Drive to your mobile device. You can see I already have this installed. So once you've installed this, just open the application. And once you've opened your Google Drive, click on the plus icon in the bottom right hand side and then select Upload File. Select Photos and Videos and then select More Photos. Now from here, you'll need to upload the video that you want to send in Gmail to your Google Drive. So I'm just going to select the video like so and press Done. Then click on Recents and once again select the video that you want to send and click Upload. Now once you've uploaded your video file, you simply need to click on the three horizontal dots next to it and then select Share. Now from here, you can either just enter the email address of the person that you want to send this video to, and that's going to go ahead and just send it to them directly. But what I like to do instead is create a link for this video. So to do that, you need to click on the profile icon at the bottom here, where it says Restricted, select this. Click on Restricted and change this to anyone with the link. Once you've changed these settings, you can then click on the link icon in the top right hand side, and that's going to copy the link to your clipboard. So now what we can do is head over to our Gmail application, and from here you can just paste the link inside of this email like so. And now when I send this to my recipient, they'll be able to click this link and open the video with no limits whatsoever. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.